I am hopping on to share some of my latest finds that I picked up in the Dollar Tree, and also a few things that I picked up in Party City for the upcoming Valentine's Day. These stores, of course, we know Party City is going out of business. So when I rode past mine recently, it said from 10% to up to 60% off. At first, it was saying up to 50% off. When I was physically in the store, the last thing that I seen that was in the highest range was the Halloween stuff. They had the Halloween stuff all 50% off. So I'm guessing now they are doing the Halloween stuff for maybe the 60%, because that was the highest thing that was discounted, was the Halloween stuff. But they did also have Valentine's Day stuff, Easter stuff, all the birthday stuff. Everything has some type of percentage off. So if you got one near you, I say go check them out. I did get a few things out of it, and I'm going to show them with you. I bought 2 packs of the Valentine's Day cups, because during this time, when it's Valentine's Day, different holidays and seasons, I usually decorate the table, get the kids the cups, the plates, and things like that. I also picked up some of their heart napkins. I thought these was really cute. Just some little napkins when I'm putting these cups out, and then I already had some Valentine's Day plates. I picked up these little scratch pads. They heart scratch pads, and they use the little thing, and they can kind of design on whatever they want, and it'll show up in different colors. These was cute. I already let the kids get one each. I also picked up some of these swirl decorations that I'll hang. I'll probably hang some around here in the classroom, and then some out in the dining area near our Valentine's Day tree, because yes, I did undecorate my tree from Christmas, and I made it into a love Valentine's Day tree. So I'm already started around here, and that tree will stay up through the month of February. And so I also picked up these swirl decorations. I thought these was cute. And again, I am going to decorate some here in the classroom and some out there with the kids coming down every day when they're getting started, getting breakfast and stuff like that. They'll see all the hearts and all the decorations. I'm into that. I'm one of those. I just like to, you know, do all of the things, all of the little holiday things, the same things that they would probably see if they were in public school. So yes, and I like to decorate. I decorate for birthdays, I decorate for anniversaries, so it's just my thing. Now, I went into a Dollar Tree that I had not been in. It was a big Dollar Tree too, and I was like, I need to go in here and see what they have. When I rolled past, I knew right away it was going to be something that I needed or something that I wanted, because I could see all the Valentine's Day stuff as I was driving past, and it looked like it was well stocked, because you know sometimes these Dollar Trees do not be well stocked. And so when I seen that, I was like, let me just go ahead on and stop. I've been wanting to go into this Dollar Tree because I had never been into this one. So I said, let me go ahead and stop. And I did. And I found some stuff. Of course I did. So here is my bag of stuff that I found. And then this was at the front end at the register. I did not go in here for this. Again, I went in for Valentine's Day stuff, and I found these purple, my favorite color. These are like a burgundy. But I was like, they just like little pot holders, so why not get them? They only $1.25, and I thought they was cute. My middle daughter found these little Valentine's Day bags, because they do exchange for Valentine's Day. So she found these little bags. I told her I would grab them for them because they were spending their own money. But I told her I'd get these for her. So that's this. I found these. So my kids love art. All things art, right? They like the color, like the paint. One likes to draw, and a couple of the 2 youngest, they like to draw too. They just draw for fun. I was like, yeah, this is cool. We could do this. And then I found these hanging heart chandeliers. I thought these was cute because, you know, just something, like I said, to hang down. So I just have to figure out my placement for these. But I thought they were cute, and they were definitely cute enough to buy. $1.25, really. Why not? We buy decorations all the time. And then they had these little foil heart curtains. These foil heart curtains, I'm not sure where I'm putting this at, because we like little fringely little stuff hanging down. So all of this stuff, I'm going to have to find a place to put it. But, of course, I have a place to put it. I just got to figure out where is the placement going to be. They had these cutouts. Now these, I'm thinking, these little heart cutouts will go around the walls So I'll kind of put these around, take these up around the wall. But they were cute. I like all the stuff the Dollar Tree has. The only thing that I'm not that fond of, and I get it, that's just the way of the world, everything's going up, but the 125. Keep me at $1 because that 25 cent is making a difference when you got a whole bunch of stuff and then these 25 cent adding up. I wish they would have just stayed $1. They even have stuff in there now that's $5. I picked up something and I'm just assuming it was 125. Absolutely not. Do not go in there assuming everything is 125 because I picked up something and it was $5. Okay? I did not like that. I got a tablecloth. Now this tablecloth probably thin. They usually are. All of the plastic tablecloths be kind of thin. I should have probably picked up more than one, but they do have a cloth heart tablecloth on the table right now. I picked up me some of my favorite confetti. I don't know what this is. What is my thing about confetti and balloons? But, oh, balloons. I need to find some Valentine's Day balloons. Now, I could just use red balloons because I have some red and white and probably pink and purple balloons. But I think I'm going to try to find some heart balloons. But this confetti, this heart confetti, I'm just going to put this all around. I'm going to probably put some here in the classroom, on the classroom table. I'm going to put some on the dining room table. I'll probably put some across the island. Just going to make it cute and lovely. And then this foam craft kit. I thought this was cute. Our first grader, he would absolutely love this. And then maybe a couple of his siblings will sit down with him and make these little foam craft kits as an art project. More confetti, because your girl like confetti. I like confetti and I like glitter. I like sparkly, I like glitter. And then they had these paper cups with the lids and the sleeve, Love You Latte. So I'm thinking when they doing their hot chocolate, even though they like to open, you know, but maybe if they doing tea or their hot chocolate, they can use these cups. Now this was so cute. When I looked at this, and I don't even think I seen many of these. This may have been in the wrong spot even. A year of date nights. 52 date ideas. This was cute. I was like, oh, I'll get this for me and my husband. But in the first one, it says it's date night on one side. Then this front one says bowling. So I thought this was cute. I was like, I'm going to pick it up just because it's $1.25. The jar is cute. It goes right along with the thing. So that's all of the stuff that I found in the Dollar Tree and some of the stuff that I found in Party City. I think you should definitely, if you're a school teacher, if you're a mom, if you're a parent, grandparent, whatever, even aunties, if you into decorating, I love to decorate. I decorate for birthdays, I decorate for anniversaries. I just like to decorate. And because we're homeschoolers, I like to kind of change the atmosphere up for my kids and do some of the things that they probably would see if they were in a brick and mortar school. So I do like to decorate. It's my thing. I've always been like this, even before homeschooling our kids. So yeah, I feel like if you are in the area, if you like to decorate, get over to your local Party City because they do have things on sale. Now you need to go in because you know this stuff is going to start the more they get into their closing out end date, they're going to put the stuff at a higher percentage off. So that means I need to get back in there because like I said, I did see Easter stuff. And of course, Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree is not always well stocked. We all know that. So I advise you, if you're going to get any Valentine's Day stuff, get over to your local Dollar Tree. I'm sure it's one in your area somewhere that's nearby and get the stuff. They even had some of the little mailboxes for the kids when they exchanging cards. So if your kids in school and they do a card exchange, they had the little boxes for that. They had some of everything in there for Valentine's Day. This one, I'm surprised how stocked it was because you can go in them and some of them don't be having hardly nothing, but then you go in other ones and they be having everything. So get to your local Party City and Dollar Tree to get your Valentine's Day stuff. And I will catch you guys on the next video where I will probably be hanging some of this stuff and decorating this stuff around. So make sure you keep on the lookout for that because I will be posting it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good day.